All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Baker coming at you with another tutorial. There's no time to waste. Let's get right to it. Go to Chrome Music Lab. Click Chrome Music Lab from Google. You're going to see something new. Shared piano. What in the world? We're going to share a piano? Yeah, we can share a piano. Now you pull it up and there's a big piano on the screen. What in the world could we do with it? We can click on it. See what's going on. Oh, it's got a little emoji there. What am I, a fox? That's cool. Let's exit out of here. I'm a fox, and there's one person in this room. This is the link for this room. It's a live room that you can play live piano on. Now, you can click it to make the sound. You can hold it to make long sounds. Just tap it to make short sounds. But you can also use your actual computer keyboard as your piano keyboard. Now, the middle row, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, semicolon, apostrophe, that one is going to be all your white key notes. You can play in a row like that. And the ones right above that, the QWERTY line, QUERTYUIOP, is all going to be your black keys, and you can experiment with all these different sounds. Let's see what comes out if I play on the piano. Oh, yeah, on your side, always. Let me see. Here's another one. What about this one? Oh, yeah, that's a good one, too. Now, experiment, play around, see what you come up with. Now, you can change the instruments down here as well. You can go to a drum kit or drum machine. Oh, that's cool. Now your keyboard becomes a drum machine. Ooh, bass drum, snare drum. Here's some hi-hat. Ooh, that's solid. Excellent. Now, experiment with all the different stuff you want to. Make your own music. Play it live in real time. If you want to invite your friends to join you in this room, copy link here, and it will copy it there. You paste it to your friends, send it to them. They can click and come right in on their phone or computer or anything they want, and they will be here with a different emoji to play live with you at the same time. Oh my God, it's incredible. Amazing. Now, there's other things you can do in the settings. I haven't experimented too much with that. You can make the note names pop up on the keys. That's pretty cool. You can change your input device. If you have a fancy keyboard to plug in, you can show or hide your emojis, all that good stuff. Play around with that. Now, what we have to do for our assignment, I want you to just make a song. So I want you to create your own little song, just like I did here. If you scroll up, it's going to take you back to the beginning of the music you made. And it will play it live in real time. Well, now it's still on drum machine, and it's still playing as a drum machine. If I go to piano, it's going to go to the piano. And then it will play that whole series of notes, the demonstrations, and all that good stuff. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Now, when you're finished, click Save. It has your link to your song right here. Just click Copy Link, and your link is copied, ready to be pasted. Post it into your assignment on the Add icon on Google Classroom, Add Link, and then submit your assignment to Google Classroom. Thank you for watching this short little tutorial. Thank you to Google for making shared piano. My name is Mr. Baker. Peace out.